Security Bank is back on Marketplace to talk about a special program. Daniel here is the Assistant Vice President of the Mortgage Lending Department at Security Bank, and we are talking about the Down Payment Plus program, Daniel.
Yes.
So what exactly is that?
So the Down Payment Plus program is a program that helps borrowers eliminate the number one obstacle to home ownership, which is having money for the down payment and closing costs. It's a grant that provides $10,000 in assistance to eligible home buyers.
Very cool, very cool. And I know a couple people who are new homeowners and are wanting to be homeowners. And so who exactly is eligible for this?
So there are income limits involved based on what county you live in. For example, in Sangamon County, I believe a one-person household income limit's around $59,000.
Okay.
And it does vary by family size, so babies do count as a member in the household.
Okay.
So you do have to have $1,000 of your own money into the transaction. Okay. You have to complete home buyer education and counseling, and you do have to purchase the home as your primary residence.
And are those the basic requirements, or are there any other eligibility requirements on top of that?
No other eligibility requirements, except you just have to qualify for a normal loan program, whether a conventional loan or FHA loan or a VA loan.
How often are we seeing people wanting to buy homes in our current climate? You know, we just got done with COVID, you know, 4 years post-COVID or 3 years post-COVID, and now people are getting back to getting back to the normalcy that we once knew. But how often are we buying homes? Yeah,
I think there's a lot of misinformation out there that it's impossible to buy a home in today's market, but I don't think that's necessarily true, especially with programs like the Down Payment Plus program that just for $1,000 or close to it, you can cover your down payment and closing costs and get in a home.
Now, if you were shopping or if home shopping, should you have a pre-approval before you start scheduling, you know, those showings?
Absolutely, yeah, especially in this competitive market, it's essential to have a pre-approval letter. That way, if you do find a home that you love, you're ready to go and make an offer and not waiting to get pre-approved. So without it, really does a disservice to you and the real estate agent, because you want to be ready to go if you do find that home. Just
to eliminate the hassle, make sure that your ducks are in a row before you start going out there and looking at these homes. When we're looking at budgets, and I know people have different incomes and different money coming and going, when you are trying to buy a home, and this is for me, for my futures, I'm gonna look at this one day and know this. When you're looking for a home and you're looking at your income, how do you budget money to do all of this, to buy a home? How much should we put away? How much should we have?
Yeah, so I would say as far as like a monthly budget, a safe zone I would say is 28% of your gross income. So if you make 60 grand a year, you would take 5,000 times 28%, and you'd want to be around that for your monthly mortgage payment.
Okay, and then of course the Down Payment Plus programs always are good to help, and different resources that Security Bank offer. Where can we find more information from you guys? Where are you guys located?
Yeah, so we have 3 locations in Springfield. We're on Chatham Road. We have our flagship location in downtown Springfield. And then we're also on Stevenson Drive.
Awesome, awesome. And of course you can always head over to their website. We have that on your screen.
Thanks for watching. Stick around by subscribing today and don't miss a single video.